Hello little gems, and welcome back to my channel. So this is my entry for the event that Wanda is doing for January with Sarah from Aussie Diamond Arts and Reeds, or West Aussie Diamond Arts and Reeds, sorry. And they asked me to help and everything, but I'm still taking part as well. So yeah, I thought I'd show you the kit that I will be doing for the event. So this is a kit that I received from move this out of the way. So yeah, this is a kit that I received from Touch the Soul Arts, I'm pretty sure it was called. Art and Soul, sorry, I keep forgetting, I keep getting my names mixed up. Ever since they changed the name. I'll just come around here and unravel it. So it is quite a dark looking piece, but once I've got on the drills, I reckon it will lighten up a lot more. And you'll be able to see the girl in the background and everything. Hopefully you guys can see her and everything. So yeah, this is the diamond painting that I will be doing for the event. It is 75 by 75 by the artist Cheryl Carpenter, and the name of the piece is The Past is Behind Us, which I think is actually very, very fitting for the event, for the name New Beginnings. You know, I thought that was a very, very clever play on words and everything. So, and in this one as well, we also have Soul Dust. So we got Soul Dust in this. We have 3, which I'm very excited about. And we also have the first time I do square in the Soul Dust. And also we have 2 ABs. But yeah, I'm very excited about doing the 3 Soul Dust. So we've got a really nice grey, a light purple and a darker blue. So I'm so excited about doing them. And then the ABs, we have a light pink and a darker pink. So yeah, really excited about doing the Soul Dust. Really am excited. So we have a whole hunk of what's 35? 35 is 939s. We have a whole hunk of, which I am excited about because I do love me blocks. And we also have, I'm pretty sure these are 310s. Number 6, 310, yep, and we have a whole hunk of 310s as well and everything. So yeah, and we've got some really gorgeous purples in this, blues and everything, very purple heavy, which I'm really excited about. And obviously I'm excited about this for several reasons, but there's so many purples in this. Like my favourite, I'm pretty sure it's 555, number 18, yep, 550, my favourite purple of the lot. So yeah, really am excited. So let me show you the canvas itself. Obviously I have already done a full unboxing for this kit. But yeah, 75 by 75. Again, artist Cheryl Carpenter. Company Art and Soul. They've changed from Touch the Soul there was originally on Facebook. Now Art and Soul. Okay, check the old stickiness. Nice and sticky. Like I said, this is a 75 by 75, so it's a rather large canvas for me to be doing the event. We have a flocked back canvas. We have the scalloped edges, as you can see, going along. And then we have a girl with her back to us in a purple dress a very pretty purple dress with brown hair, and then there's some purple in the background as well and everything. So we have our ABs and our Soul Dust here listed at the bottom. Let's see if we can find a bit of it. So 51 is like a almost circle, 2 little lines. So let's see if I can find that. And Shez herself did actually pick where she wanted the Soul Dust to go. So I'm pretty sure like Shez would have picked somewhere really nice for it to go. I can't seem to find it. It's okay, it's not the end of the world. I'm sure I will find it anyway. So let's show you a nice close up of the print. And here is a nice close up of the print. Very, very nice print indeed. Absolutely gorgeous print. I'm so looking forward to doing this. I've been holding on to this to do for this event, as I think it is so fitting. You know, that's just my personal opinion. If you don't agree with me, don't agree with me. It's absolutely fine. I'm still suffering this. Excuse me. I'm still suffering this chest infection. It's very hard to breathe at the moment. To be honest, it's horrible trying to breathe. It's worse than the one I had at the beginning of the month. So yeah, second chest infection in a month. It's not nice. But hey ho, what can I do? Not much. I just had to carry on. So yeah. So absolutely gorgeous. Really, really am looking forward to doing her. And like just seeing her all come to life. So am looking forward to it. Unfortunately, I didn't choose the image. It was sent to me. Shez picked it, and Leah, bless her, absolutely amazing. You know, sent me this to review and unbox with her. So I'm so lucky. I do feel extremely lucky. And Shez did say to her that she likes to do like 70 by 70s or bigger, and she sent me 75 by 75. So she's excelled herself, bless her. I'm so grateful, you know. So yeah, so rules for, hopefully I'll get this video out before the start before the start of the event. It must be a new canvas or project. Doesn't have to be diamond painting. It could be any craft you like. It just must be a new project. You must be subscribed to all 3 of our channels. I will link them all down below. What else? And then we just asked you, what is posted up, an email address for the entry information, for your information and everything. It goes into a private Google document. Me or Sarah do not see it. Only Wanda sees it. That's just so she could get contact with you if you win a prize. Excuse me, I'm really sorry. And yeah, and just post update progress pictures basically, and that's about it really, I think. Yeah, so yeah, it must be a new kit or projects, like craft project or something, even colouring, anything that takes your fancy. I must be subscribed to all 3 channels, and we do urge you to try and join the lives. There'll be 2 on a Saturday at the beginning, end of the month, which I will be joining in on, and they'll be on a Saturday. I think it's about 2 PM UK time roughly, if I remember rightly. From last time, it might be a bit earlier, might be a bit later. I can't remember 100%. And Wanda also hosts a tea and talk every Tuesday on her channel. It works about 2 AM in the UK. So I can understand if you don't make that. I normally just watch a little bit on my tea break and then go back to work. Because I'm normally on tea break about when it starts. But yeah, that is it for the information, I think. So I'm going to go and get this video edited and everything. And yeah, so this is my entry for the Wonders event. We've hosted with Aussie Diamond Arts and Reads, and also myself, Diamond Painting with Gems. So yeah, I really am looking forward to getting this done, and I'm going to go and start getting this all kitted up, because you know it's good. So that is it for this video. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I hope to see lots of you take part in the event. Thank you everyone. Bye.